Every journey begins with a single step, and for some, that step is towards the keys of a piano. It doesn't take much to start, just a bit of curiosity, a spark of interest, and the willingness to let the music flow. Even in the quietest moments, in the simplest of places, the music within you is ready to be discovered. You don't need to know everything, you just need to begin. One note, one chord, one lesson at a time. The beauty of learning the piano is that every small step brings you closer to creating something beautiful. Inside the piano, just as within you, lies a story waiting to be told, a song waiting to be played. There will be moments of peace where the music connects you to something deeper, something beyond the notes. As you continue, you'll look back and see how far you've come, how much you've grown, how the music has transformed you. The effort is worth it, every bit of practice, every ounce of dedication as you move closer to your goals. And one day, you'll sit down at the piano and realize that the music within you is flowing effortlessly, telling your story. Starting is the hardest part, but remember, every master was once a beginner, and today you can take that first step.